Here is the world as we know it. We value only what we can buy. Profit drives creation and innovation. And ownership means shutting out the broader community. A world of commodities. But a parallel world exists, where value means more than money, where ownership is something we share, and where we create and innovate for reasons far more important than our profit. This is the world of the commons, a world of things we cannot and should not privatize, package, and purchase. The commons can be found in everything from nature to technology. The natural commons is the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the genes that make us. But there's a technology commons too. One example is found in Wikipedia's open free vault of knowledge that helps millions of people to learn, explore, and create free from financial restrictions. Of course, the tech commons are not only used freely and collectively, they are also collaboratively generated and sustained by their members. This process is known as commons-based peer production. To encourage more commons innovation, we need to understand how such communities arise and what keeps their members motivated. Researchers like Nobel Prize-winning economist Elinor Ostrom have greatly advanced our insights into the workings of the natural commons. But much work still remains to be done to advance our grasp of the principles and best practices for the technology commons. A consortium of universities and research organizations are undertaking a groundbreaking research initiative that aims to uncover the factors that make platforms like Wikipedia sustainable. This is where the vital work of the P2Pvalue project comes in. P2Pvalue starts with the proposition that commons-based peer production faces three key challenges to expansion. First, we need to know more about the particular institutions and behaviors that define successful communities. To survive and thrive, every community needs a set of rules for good governance, as well as the right economic and technical groundwork. P2Pvalue aims to help platform pioneers determine the best practices to follow to ensure their communities build a critical mass of engaged user contributors. Secondly, with the reliance upon unpaid volunteer time and ingenuity, there is a critical need to determine how to ensure that the platforms are economically sustainable. Without profits to pay out, members must be offered an alternative reward system for their contributions. These can be peer recognition or a sense of pride in contributing to an important mission or service. P2Pvalue is investigating the best forms of social currency. To confront these challenges, developers with the P2Pvalue project have built a unique experimental app which will provide a window into the behavior of these types of communities. Besides supplying invaluable knowledge and tools for grassroots innovators, this pioneering study also equips policymakers with new guidelines for crafting public policies meant to encourage those innovators. To promote ongoing research, the P2Pvalue team has created an open online archive that includes copies of all the platform's code, as well as data and survey results collected from the field experiments. To top it off, they've also published the first comprehensive directory of commons-based peer production communities. Help us promote and protect strong and resilient commons-based technologies. Visit p2pvalue.eu to find out more about the P2Pvalue project.